This is Bandar Abbas, a strategic titan sitting on the edge of the Persian Gulf. Here, in an unforgiving desert climate, engineers are attempting the impossible. To build a megaport capable of handling 8 million shipping containers, you have to fight the Earth itself. The master plan demons tearing apart the seabed, moving a mountain of underwater Earth. This is Phase 3 of the Shahid Raja'i port, a $70 million gamble on the future. The objective? Constructing the region's longest and most advanced docking jetty. But a port of this magnitude requires an empire of infrastructure behind it. Simultaneously, a massive energy expansion is underway to fuel this mechanical beast. Upgrading the gas condensate refinery is critical, pushing industrial limits to the absolute edge. A fortress of concrete and steel is rising to store the lifeblood of the operation. And to power it all, a massive 906 megawatt gas-fired power plant is born. This is an integrated ecosystem of maritime, energy, and transit supremacy. When complete, over 4/5 of the nation's maritime trade will flow through these very gates. A UNESCO creative city rooted in ancient marine crafts, now forging a hyper-modern destiny. This is the full construction process of the Bandar Abbas mega project. Let's dive in. Step 1 begins with mapping the hostile underwater terrain of the Persian Gulf. Engineers identify 5 million cubic meters of seabed that must be violently removed. To achieve the necessary depth for mega ships, heavy-duty dredging operations commence. The cutter head tears into the crust, pulverizing solid rock and centuries of sediment. Millions of tons of debris are vacuumed to the surface in a continuous, relentless flow. The excavated material is pumped miles away to reclaim new land from the sea. Slowly, the ocean gives way, creating a solid foundation for the port's expansion. Once the slurry dries under the oppressive sun, autonomous earth movers grade the terrain. The new earth must be aggressively compacted to support the weight of millions of tons of cargo. Vibration rollers lock the particles together, creating a foundation as hard as rock. With the depth secured, construction pivots to the heart of Phase 3, the mega jetty. Floating titans arrive carrying hollow steel piles, the anchors of the new docking facility. These massive steel tubes must be driven deep into the oceanic bedrock to ensure absolute stability. Automated hydraulic hammers deliver thousands of tons of force per strike. Slowly, a perfect steel grid rises from the waves, outlining the future jetty. To prevent marine corrosion, the hollow piles are pumped full of high-strength concrete. Massive precast capping beams are then lowered, binding the steel pillars together. This interconnected grid creates an unbreakable platform capable of supporting the world's heaviest cranes. With the skeleton in place, the massive concrete deck pouring begins. Thousands of cubic meters of specialized marine-grade concrete engulf the steel reinforcements. Under the oppressive Bandar Abbas heat, the concrete cures to maximum density. The first phase of the jetty is secured, a $70 million milestone achieved. But the mission is far from over. the jetty must extend to a staggering 1,500 meters. When fully realized, this massive berth will accommodate multiple ultra-large container vessels simultaneously. Beneath the surface, the structure becomes a permanent fixture of the Persian Gulf. Behind the jetty, the focus shifts to creating the 55-hectare container yard. Before paving begins, a subterranean labyrinth of power and drainage networks is carved into the earth. High-voltage arteries and massive floodwater drains are laid to sustain continuous industrial operations.
Heavy-duty asphalt is laid down, engineered to withstand the crushing weight of stacked shipping containers.
Layer upon layer is compressed, creating a 55-hectare plain of indestructible pavement.
Along the waterfront, precision-engineered steel rails are embedded into the concrete deck. These rails will guide the mechanical giants, the ship-to-shore gantry cranes.
These towering structures are the muscles of the port, designed to lift massive containers with flawless precision. The expansion of Shahid Raja'i Port is a masterclass in heavy civil engineering. But a port of this scale demands fuel, leading us to the next massive phase. The Bandar Abbas gas condensate refinery is undergoing a radical, high-stakes expansion. Engineers are integrating advanced GOHT and KHT processing units directly into the active grid. Massive pressure vessels, forged to withstand extreme volatility, are positioned with zero margin for error. Towering distillation columns are erected, reaching toward the sky like industrial obelisks. Inside, advanced thermodynamic processes will separate complex hydrocarbons at extreme temperatures. Miles of heavy-duty piping are welded to connect the new units to the main refinery bloodstream. These arteries must withstand extreme thermal shock and corrosive gas flows without failure.
The gas oil hydrotreating unit stands complete, ready to strip sulfur and purify the fuel. Adjacent to the processing units, preparation begins for a monumental storage structure. The objective: construct a 65,000 cubic meter concrete storage fortress. It begins with an intensely concentrated grid of steel rebar, forming the tank's circular foundation. A continuous, non-stop concrete pour is executed through the night to prevent structural seams. Using advanced slip forming, the massive concrete walls rise continuously, inch by inch.
Inside the concrete, post-tensioning cables are embedded to resist the immense outward pressure of the stored liquid. The scale of the internal void is staggering, capable of holding an ocean of industrial fluid. A colossal steel dome is hoisted into the sky, precisely lowered to cap the concrete fortress. Industrial water and drainage networks are integrated, linking the tank to the Asia Water Development Grid. With the refinery expansion secured, the region's energy processing capacity is drastically multiplied. But to run a port and a refinery of this magnitude, you need raw, unadulterated electrical power. Enter the 906-megawatt gas-fired power plant expansion. Deep foundation pedestals are poured to support the extreme vibrational forces of massive gas turbines. A multi-wheeled transporter delivers the heart of the plant, a hyper-advanced gas turbine generator. The turbine is lowered onto the foundations with millimeter precision, a flawless execution of heavy lifting. Inside this metallic beast, compressed gas will ignite, spinning the blades at supersonic speeds. Lasers ensure perfect shaft alignment, guaranteeing maximum energy transfer without structural failure. Heat recovery generators are installed to capture exhaust heat, maximizing total grid efficiency.
The raw mechanical power is stepped up through massive transformers, surging into the regional grid. The power plant roars to life, a 900-megawatt beating heart powering the Bandar Abbas industrial zone.
Energy flows seamlessly from the desert back to the waterfront, awakening the colossal cranes. The port is electrified. The massive infrastructure is fully armed and operational. Port, refinery, and power. A trifactor of extreme engineering successfully integrated. To support the massive influx of cargo, an expansive multi-lane highway system is finalized.
A highly developed railway network is embedded, linking the port directly to Tehran and beyond. Advanced subterranean sensors and automated scanners are integrated into the entry gates. The ultimate test arrives as the first ultra-large container vessel approaches the new jetty. The colossal ship glides effortlessly through the newly dredged deep-water channel.
It docks seamlessly against the 1,500-meter mega jetty, a perfect engineered fit.
The towering gantry cranes lock on, lifting 30-ton containers as if they were weightless.
The loading and discharging capacity skyrockets to an unprecedented 8 million TEU. Cargo moves flawlessly from the ocean to the 55-hectare staging yard in a synchronized mechanical ballet. The barren asphalt transforms into a vibrant, gridlocked city of international commerce.
Bandar Abbas solidifies its dominance, connecting Iran's industrial might to the global market.
Just across the water lies Qeshm Island, blending this hyper-industrial reality with ancient geological wonders.
From an oppressive desert coast to a marvel of heavy marine engineering.
Just across the water lies Qeshm Island, blending this hyper-industrial reality with ancient geological wonders. And the colorful salt caves of Hormuz Island stand as a silent witness to the region's total transformation.
The refinery operates at maximum capacity, processing the Earth's resources with lethal efficiency.
The colossal concrete storage dome stands impenetrable, a fortress of industrial reserve. The power plant burns relentlessly, an unstoppable engine driving the economy. Every piece of infrastructure, from dredging to rail lines, performs flawlessly.
The arteries of transportation pulse with continuous, automated precision. The Strait of Hormuz is mastered, tamed by thousands of tons of concrete and steel. A UNESCO creative city has forged a new identity without losing its ancient soul.
Where traditional marine crafts and spiced seafood meet billion-dollar infrastructure. This is what happens when extreme engineering meets an unyielding environment. The Phase 3 expansion stands as a testament to heavy civil construction. 55 hectares of reclaimed land, born from the bottom of the sea.
An 8 million TEU capacity that reshapes the logistics of the Middle East. Day and night, the massive machines never sleep, operating with terrifying efficiency.
Delivering the lifeblood of global trade deep into the heart of the nation.
This is Bandar Abbas, a mega project forged in extreme heat, built to conquer the seas. Iran's primary maritime and industrial hub, upgraded for the next century of commerce. The world's most strategic port
has evolved into an unstoppable maritime juggernaut.
This is the reality of extreme mega construction. But the pursuit of record-breaking engineering never stops.